Hello. In this video, I will explain why you should choose Tece. In a highly competitive environment, selecting the right business partner is crucial. So why would you work with Tece? We have the widest range of edge banding products worldwide. Our product range includes almost all types of edge bandings, and we continuously expand it to keep up with edge band trends. We have experience. Since 1987, edge banding have been our sole focus. We constantly strive to improve our work, reaching more people as we get better. We approach our work with passion and excitement for further innovations. We value quality. From raw materials to production techniques, staff training, and packaging, we pay attention to every detail at every step of the process. This philosophy ensures that we produce products of the right quality. We carefully select our raw materials. Quality ingredients result in quality products. Therefore, we are meticulous about choosing materials that meet our quality criteria consistently across all products. We care about our environment, world, and people. Our planet is a beautiful place, and we choose the best raw materials and production techniques to preserve our nature, regardless of the cost. We aim for optimum prices. While price matters to Tece customers, it is not everything. Thus, we strive to combine the best price with the best quality. We emphasize research and development. With our accredited R&D center, we have a dedicated team working to develop new products. R&D allows us to meet and anticipate various market needs. We are committed to our values. We have responsibilities towards our customers, employees, investors, and the public. These responsibilities drive us to abide by laws, uphold honesty, respect ethical values, and promote a culture of decency. Even in challenging situations, we never compromise on our principles.